They say love is blind, but your wallet shouldn't be. Mayamang buhay budgeteers. Have you ever felt like your relationship is costing you more than just emotional energy? We're diving deep into a topic that hits close to home for many Filipinos: toxic financial relationships. It is that uncomfortable feeling when love and money get tangled up in a way that leaves you feeling drained, stressed, and broke. Let's talk about the red flags and, more importantly, how to break free and reclaim your financial peace. So what's the first major sign you might be in one? They're always borrowing but never seem to pay back. It starts small, maybe for lunch or a bill, but soon it becomes a pattern. Can I borrow again? I'll pay you back on payday, promise. But payday comes and goes, and when you gently bring it up, you're suddenly the bad guy. They might say, "You're counting every centavo, I thought we were a team," or, "After everything I do for you." This guilt tripping is a classic manipulation tactic. They use your kindness against you, making you feel selfish for wanting your own hard-earned money back. It's a cycle that slowly erodes both your savings and your self-worth. If asking for what's rightfully yours feels like a confrontation, that's a huge red flag. This isn't about healthy shared financial planning. This is about power. You might get messages like, "Send your salary to my account," or, "Why did you buy that? You should have asked me first." Your income, which you worked so hard for, suddenly doesn't feel like your own. They might check your bank apps, question every purchase, or make you feel guilty for spending on yourself or your family. This behavior is often disguised as managing the household finances or looking out for your future. But let's be clear, that's not love, it's financial control, and it's a form of abuse that keeps you dependent and powerless. A true partner supports your financial autonomy, they don't seize it. The third, and perhaps most subtle sign, is when they actively discourage your success. You got a promotion? Instead of celebrating, they might say, "Oh, so you'll be too busy for me now?" Or, "Don't let the money change you." They might downplay your achievements or make you feel like your ambition is a threat to the relationship. A healthy partner is your biggest cheerleader. They pop the champagne with you. They brag about your accomplishments, and they feel inspired by your growth. A toxic partner sees your success as a competition they're losing. They prefer you to stay small because it keeps them in control. If your wins are met with jealousy, insecurity, or subtle sabotage instead of genuine joy, it's time to reevaluate what that relationship is truly about. If any of this is sounding painfully familiar, please know you are not alone, and you are not powerless. The first step to breaking free is setting firm financial boundaries. This is your enough is enough moment. Start by learning to say no without feeling guilty. A simple, "I'm sorry, but I can't lend you money right now, I'm on a strict budget," is a complete sentence. You don't owe anyone a long explanation. Next, start tracking your money privately. Know exactly where your income goes. Open a separate bank account that only you have access to. This isn't about secrecy. It's about security. It's your emergency fund, your escape plan, your first step toward building financial independence. Remember, setting boundaries isn't about ending the love. It's about ending the toxicity. It's about choosing yourself. At the end of the day, a relationship should enrich your life, not drain your bank account. Love should never leave you broke, anxious, or feeling controlled. You deserve a partner who celebrates your wins, respects your hard work, and builds a future with you, not at your expense. Choose peace over pressure. Choose partnership over control. If this conversation resonated with you, subscribe to Budget Boss for more real talk about money, relationships, and building a life you love. Thank you for watching and take care.